Welcome to the Village Remedies channel, and this is another video for our functional breathing series. In this talk, I just wanted to touch on how acupuncture and Chinese medicine, or how we use these in the clinic to help when you've got really congested sinuses, you can't breathe through your nose. This is always the first step when improving breathing, because if you can't breathe through your nose, then you can't restore functional breathing. So we need to get that feeling better. I'll run through a little bit of the theory and how we approach it, and then at the end, I'll run through a few little acupressure points that you can do for yourself at home, and hopefully that helps you as well. So first thing with the acupuncture is it's important to know you don't have to worry about us sticking a bunch of needles into your nose or into your airways or anything like that. We use a distal style of acupuncture, which means we use points distant to the areas we're trying to affect. So for the sinuses, we use traditional points, mostly on the hands, some on the legs and feet as well, and sometimes on the scalp here as well. These are all very, very safe points, and during the treatment, we're actually looking for some immediate kind of feedback. So with congested sinuses, we're usually looking for things to start clearing on the table to know that we're on the right track. We also like to, for sinus conditions, we also like to think of Chinese herbs as well, just because these can be a really beneficial addition, and there are some traditional formulas that were used for chronic sinus infections and congestion as well. So we like to work those into the mix as well. We find that we get better results with both working together. But we always take that into a personal case-by-case basis. So we would talk about that with you. So for some acupressure points that you can do at home, and these would be some points that we might use, well, this one that I'll show you on the hand is one that we might use in the clinic with the acupuncture needle. Another one is one that you can push on your face as well. We don't tend to use this one with acupuncture, but it's a good acupressure point. So the first one is called Hergu, or Union Valley. It's probably the most famous acupuncture point there is, because it has a wide range of uses in acupuncture. But essentially, all you want to do to find it is you've got the webbing between the thumb and the finger here, and you can essentially just pinch that and find a real nice meaty bit that'll be a little bit tender, a little bit achy there. So you find that, you massage that, hold some pressure to the point where you feel an achiness but not hurting yourself. Massage that for 30, 40 seconds, a minute, and see if that helps with your sinus congestion. You can try both sides as well. One side you may find is more effective than the other for you. The other point, this one's called Tong, and that translates to penetrate the nose, which is because it was used to directly clear the nose. All it is putting a little bit of pressure just on the outside of the nostrils here. You'll find like a little bit of a sort of ridge in there and a tender spot, and you just want to find that spot, hold some pressure, again 30, 40 seconds to a minute, and then take that off. You may find that you're blocking your airways a little bit when you're pushing in, but then when you take it away, hopefully that helps clear that out. Anyway, if you find those useful, please let us know in a comment below. Otherwise, we're also releasing a bunch of other videos of different things you can try to clear the nose. But if you would like to come in and see us, we have two Sydney locations, one in the CBD and one in Balmain, and we'd love to hear from you. We've got a link to our website in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope that helps.